slice natin. Ayan. Tikman natin kung anong lasa. Bismillahi wala barakatuh. Masarap. Masarap ito palaman sa sa burger. Or basta palaman masarap. Masarap. The best. Ito ang gagamitin ko, mas pino, kasi ito malalaki. So, start ko itong i-grate, itong carrots. Kasi, ay, may gagawin ako nito, carrots. 2 carrots. After grate, so you have to squeeze this one. Ito na yung juice ng in-squeeze kong carrots. Hindi ko grenade lahat. So, set aside natin dito sa tabi. Batihin din natin itong 1 egg. Organic ito na itlog. Yung manok ni Pahad ng itlog. Put already evaporated milk in a container, and I use this kind of evaporated milk pack. This is 250 ml, so I use 2 packs 500 ml. So we start to boil now this one. Yung apoy ay lang, low flame. Wait natin bago become boil this milk. Then ilagay natin yung juice ng carrot, 1 egg, and vinegar, at saka yung carrot na in-squeezean. Now we will put this juice of carrots. And then we have to mix. And then to be followed this one. And then I use 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar. This is my substitute. If you have sour yogurt, you can put 3 tablespoons of yogurt, but I don't have available, so I use this vinegar. Now We can put also pinch of salt. And then one egg. Ano yung nakalagay dito? Wait. May ayan. We will boil until 5 to 10 minutes. This is my first time to make. Inshallah, maging successful itong aking gagawin because I watch also this one in YouTube. So, I have to make my own version and also I have to make experiment. Then if will be successful, I have to make again more than 1 liter of milk, evaporated milk. Silangga, maingay. If you have fresh milk of cow or buffalo, much better, but I don't have. So I use milk pack or Tetra Pak milk, evaporated milk. Now it's okay. It's already cooked. So we have to turn off now the flame. Ayan. So next we have to put this one in container. I'll already remove from the flame, so we have to put here. Ito na strain ko na. Wait natin hanggang tumulo lahat. Ito na yung juice ng tubig ng 500 ml na Tetra Pak milk. Ayan. Experiment din pag may time. Para malaman kung maging successful. Yung ginawa ko. So, ilipat ko dito sa plate. Ito naman yung juice ng 500 ml na milk pack, Tetra Pak evaporated milk. So ilipat ko ito dito para tikman natin kung anong lasa nito. Ito na yung ginawa ko, oh. Ayan. So slice natin para matikman natin kung anong lasa.